Right. So how to add chat messages in a webinar using Everwebinar. Okay. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to add a new webinar. Okay, and do all the configuration. But right now I am using an existing. Suppose this is an existing webinar. Okay, I'm clicking on edit, and then go to live. Okay, live section, and then scroll down. There is an option called live chat box. Okay, so click on this. Just pay attention to the options available here. One is disable chat. Next is enable chat messages. When you click on this, select this, then there is an option called allow attendees to see each other's chat. So if you enable this, so whenever this webinar is going to run, the real audience, okay, that real audience, they are going to all the chat messages, they can see each other's chat messages. Okay, just like a live event. And save real comments from real attendees. If you enable this setting, what will happen, that whenever this webinar is going to play, the real chat messages are going to be saved for the next show. Okay, so chat comments posted by the real attendees will be saved in the database. So if you wish, you may incorporate them into your next simulated chat role. Okay, so these two options should be enabled. Okay, so exactly this is what I do. When I want to set up the automated webinar, I enable these two messages. Another option is also, suppose you have this webinar for, suppose this webinar is 1 hour 20 minutes, and on 1 hour 15th minute, okay, 1 hour 15th minute and 10 seconds, suppose this is my name, and as an admin you want to add a message like pay here. Okay, and you want to type a payment link. Okay, you want to type payment link here, enter payment link, and this message will automatically be displayed on 1 hour 15th minute and 10th second. So if I click here on add, so this will be added. So when this webinar is going to play 1 hour 15 minute 10 second, this message will be displayed. I can remove it as well. Okay, so this is the way how you can add messages. Suppose you have you already have some chat log in CSV file. You can also import that into from the using the CSV. Okay, so you can click here, and you can see like hours you have to write like this, minutes like this, and then you can basically upload your file from here. Okay, so this is how you can actually add chat messages. Normally what I do, the best practice is, what I do is I enable these two things, and then I invite my audience, the real audience, I invite them to watch my webinar, and all these messages then I save for the next show. Okay, so all these messages will not be displayed by default. So if I click here on log, you can see there is a red icon. Okay, so you can see these are the pending chats. So manually what I have to do, if I enable those two options, okay, so then I can accept, approve, or reject these messages. So suppose all these messages are looking good, then I approve all the messages on the screen, or maybe I can approve all the messages. Okay, so like this. And also if I think there is some message which is a spammy message, I can delete that message as well. Okay, so I hope it is clear. All these chat messages will be displayed here, and only when you approve it will be shown in the next show. So this is how it happens. So thank you. If you have any question related to Webinarjam, Everwebinar, you can share in the comment box below. And also if you want to try Webinarjam, Everwebinar free, or sorry, for $1 for 30 days trial you can take for just $1. Okay, so click on the link in this video description, dnaclub.in/webinarjam, and you can go for monthly plan, and you can go ahead with basic plan. This is the plan which I am using right now, $99 per month, or you can pay this annually as well. Okay, so click here, start $1 trial, and get started. Okay, I am sharing this clickable link in the video description as well. Thank you. Subscribe the channel.